Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. To learn how to create a Gmail account safely, there are tons of videos through which you can create your Gmail account from mobile phone or from your PC, but I'll tell you the safest and a unique way while creating the user ID, while setting up the password and everything. I'll tell you those very crucial and important things while creating the email address. So open your favorite browser and type Gmail. You can type gmail.com, that will be better, into the address bar and then hit enter and you will find a video, a screen like this where you have for work, sign in and create an account. So here I'll click on create an account and it will ask me to mention the first name. I'll mention just demo tech like this. Let's see if it takes or not. You can enter the surname and I'll just mention here like this. You can mention the information and then it will ask you to choose the Gmail address. So you can check right here. You can create your own or you can simply select any of it. So I'll just select any of it, the given option, and I'll click on next. Now here the password. So in password section, please remember, do not mention your first name or last name or your date of birth, your mobile phone, or any kind of, guessable information. Like anyone can guess it. So that has to be unique and that should be known to you only. All right. So please ensure the password should not be very general and not very guess friendly. All right. So I'll just mention password and I'll just click on in. Next. Now it says choose a stronger password. So here I'll just the password should be a stronger password consists alphabets, numerics, and special characters. And once you do that, you need to click on next. Now this is a very important part. Enter the recovery email address. So if you have any email address and you want those recovery information, so I would highly recommend to mention the recovery email address, because if you somehow if you forgotten the password or if you have lost a mobile phone or something, you can always recover through your email address. All right, so once you enter it, you can click on next, else you can simply skip it. And here it will ask you to enter the phone number, like from where you are, and you can enter the phone number as well. So this will be a good thing because if you want to reset your password, that will be very handy for you to enter the number. And here I'll just click on skip because it's just a demo purpose. And here it says review your account info. You can use this email address to sign in later. I'll just click on next. And here we need to just click on I agree. And very soon it will give me an option where I have see my email. So it says Google Workspace and I can see my email address has been created. I can compose, and at the top right corner where I have this the name, I'll just click on that. Even if I hover the cursor on that, I can see it's the chosen email address right here. Right. So this is how you can create a Gmail account safely, and this is also please keep remember things in mind, like while creating the password, it should not be the things which I told you earlier. So I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.